This is what all of you guys asked a lot, so why not? The JBL C200si versus Sennheiser CX 180 Street 2 versus FocalSense 100si. Let's do this. Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here. Before we get to the video, we recently hit 20,000 subscribers and I just want to thank all of you guys for your continuous support, and to celebrate that we are doing a giveaway right now. The giveaway details will be shared at the end of this video, so stick around. So I recently did a video of the JBL C200si versus the JBL C100si, and in that video the C200si was the clear winner. But what everyone asked was, is the JBL C200si is better than the CX180? Or some people ask, is CX180 is better than the FocalSense 100si? But in today's video, we will clear all this out. So in today's video, we will be comparing all of the three earphones, and let's see who's the best budget earphones under 1000 rupees. Also, these three earphones are roughly around 1000 rupees, so we won't be talking about the price in this video. But what we will be discussing is a quick unboxing of all of these three earphones, design and ergonomics, build quality, inline mic, sound quality, and at the end of this video we will conclude which is the best earphones among all. So let's kick this off with the unboxing of the JBL C200si. So the JBL C200si came in this packaging, and as we dive in, this is the retail packaging of the C200si itself. So without wasting any time, let me quickly unbox this for you guys. So inside the box we have the earphones itself, some extra ear tips, and user manual. Now getting it out of the way, we have the Sennheiser CX 180 Street 2. Let's pop this thing open, and we have the earphones itself and some extra ear tips, and that's it. Now the last one on the list is the FocalSense 100si. This one is by far the best unboxing experience among all of them. So after getting inside the box, we have the earphones itself, some extra ear tips, and carrying pouch to carry these earphones. That was all the unboxing part of these earphones, but now let's move to the design and ergonomics of the three earphones. So what we should look for in a well-designed earphone: an earphone which feels premium and at the same time comfortable to wear, which you can wear all day long. Now in terms of comfort, all the three earphones are good. You can easily wear them for a long time without having any pain in your ears. But for the design, I have to give it for the FocalSense 100si. These earphones are one of the prettiest looking earphones among all of these earphones. The design is great and they feel very premium. Although the earbuds are made up of plastic, but the inline mic and the jack connector is made up of metal, so it feels good. On the other hand, the C200si and CX180 are sporty looking earphones and they feel a bit plasticky. Although this is just a personal preference, and other factors that we are going to talk about in this video are more important than this. Anyways, moving to the build quality and durability, all the three earphones are made well, although they are made up of plastic except the jack and the inline mic on the FocalSense 100si. But otherwise all the three earphones seems durable. I would have given this title to the FocalSense 100si, but people who bought these earphones had complaints that these earphones just died in 2 to 3 months, so the CX180 and the C200si are better in this case. Now all the earphones have an inline mic, but except for the CX180 which doesn't have one. Also, both of the remaining earphones have a single button to answer calls, play pause songs, change songs, and to use Google Assistant or Siri. And now here is a quick comparison of the inline mic. This is the inline mic of the FocalSense 100si. This is the inline mic on the JBL C200si. I think the inline mic on the JBL C200si sounds better, but those were all the less important factor, and now let's move to the most important thing which makes or breaks any audio device, whether it is headphones, earphones, speaker, or any audio device, that is sound quality. So for the sound quality, I have to give this to Sennheiser CX180. The FocalSense 100si have less clarity and the lows are very low. Yeah. On the other hand, the JBL C200si have good clarity, but they produce a very exploding bass, which is not my taste. Although some people might like this exploding bass, but for my taste, I think the Sennheiser CX180 has the right balance of both high frequencies and bass, and also they are very clear at the same time. So the best budget earphones under 1000 rupees title goes to Sennheiser CX180 Street 2, and you can find all of these three earphones in the links down below in the description to check them out. And now it's time for the giveaway. So to enter this giveaway, just check out the links down below in the description and follow the instructions to get your entries. And the giveaway winner will be announced on the 1st March on our social media pages, so make sure you do follow us on there. Also, the winner will get to choose what earphones he wants as a price, either C200si, CX180 or VocalSense 100si. Also, the giveaway is national, so can't help it. So yeah, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's do this all fancy stuff. You know how to do it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.